Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your Notion language. So first, we need to access settings right here, okay? So you'll find settings here at the bottom on the left-hand panel. So you can click on this gear cog, you can click on settings, or what you can do is come to the top left, click on the name here, okay, or your profile icon, and then access settings from here. So I'll go ahead and click on that. Now to change your language is very easy, guys. So here under preferences, you'll see language and time, right? So this is my current language. So I'll click on this, or you can click on the drop down arrow and you'll see a bunch of different languages here. Come here and select any that you want. Okay, let's say I want Espanol, Spanish, right? So I'll go ahead and select that one and then you just click on update. There you go. And everything will change to Spanish once it refreshes. So as you can see, it is currently refreshing and everything here will change to Spanish. There we go. Look at this. Everything has changed to Spanish. It's really that easy and simple.